In this video, I'll show you how to use safe mode on PS4, step by step. Step 1. Power off your PS4 completely. Make sure it's not in rest mode. The light should be off, not orange. Step 4. Hold the power button. Keep holding it until you hear two beeps, one right away and another one about 7 seconds later. This boots the PS4 into safe mode. Step 3. Connect your controller via USB. Wireless won't work here, so plug in your DualShock 4 and press the PS button. Step 4. Choose from the safe mode option. You'll see choices like restart system, change resolution, update system software, rebuild database, restore default settings, initialize PS4. Step 5. Pick the option that matches your issue. For most problems, rebuild database or update system software works best. And that's it. Safe Mode on PS4 is a powerful tool to troubleshoot and fix issues. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.